and on a walk.
Where are we walking to?
We're walking to an adventure.
Can we go? Hi, fun. What is that thing? Okay, I got my hiking stick. Yay. This is a pine cone.
What'd you get?
A very big, giant pine cones. I got a pine cone. I got one very far off.
Poor things you're throwing them for him.
What's in the tippy top, which is all the way up there. We also shut off the camera or got in it. The black one. Mom, one thing I noticed about it is nice job, dude. But it was worth it. Hey, yay! It's a pond. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. What you doing, Will? Then it goes down to there.
Porter, you made it back.
Come in if you're coming in. Don't stand with the door open.
That's fine. What is Hannah getting?
Hey,
What?
is it tasty?
What, Mommy?
Mint, coconut, or peanut butter?
Cocoa.
You want coconut?
Yeah. Could you roll this down a bit? Look. We like that. We like that. Mom, are you gonna...
Maybe cheese. Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. Not natural. So we're about a mile up a forest road in Water Canyon, just outside of Cloudcroft, New Mexico. And this is about as perfect a campsite as I think you could imagine. We're dispersed, so we're out here, nobody around for miles. A couple four-wheelers, ATVs pass by every now and then, but it's just us and this incredible creek here. They've been playing nonstop for 2 days in this creek. Racing pine cones, imaginary fishing, all kinds of stuff. We've walked all the way down, we've walked all the way up. It's pretty incredible out here. Just tell me what you guys have been doing here.
Oh, okay. So, we've been playing Indians.
Quit, dude.
It's Ivan, the biggest one in the game, and Lawson's the middle-aged one. Indians, and we live in the forest. We use them to catch fish. Stop. We also collect big pine stop law. Dad, can we restart? It's just annoying. To catch fish, which are the leaves.
Okay. Law, what's your favorite part about this campsite?
Oh, going on the river.
Playing in the river?
Yep, walking in it. And fish. It is one of the river going into the deep end.
Ivan, what's your favorite part of this campsite?
My favorite part of the campsite is playing in the river and having fun. I just want to jump in this river right now. This whole area was established.
No, I'm just talking out loud. I'm taking multiple takes, thank you very much. She's laughing at me. There's a lot to say, and I don't know how to say it. I'm not very good at saying
I can say
things.
it for you. I'm really good at saying things.
I know, but I just don't know the exact words. We'll try to fit the bear cow in. It was dark, in my defense. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, let me see yours.
Let me see your arm.
What are you gotta move?
No, other side.
They're good.
Am I?
Sure?
Yeah.
Sure about that? You sure about that?
Let's build it.
Send a card or letter to.
Hello.
JJ? Okay.
Wait, Emma, what do you have there? Shorts. Emma, what's that? Shorts.
Hey, baby.
Let me do it.
Yeah. Cloudcroft cow bears. Lots of little babes. More cow bears. Gotta eat it, gotta eat it.
Maddie!
You want some?
I want more.
It's a whole pie, guys.
Hi, Monet. Look. Monet, look. Hey, Oda. Hi. There's a pie in here.
Get it? Catch it. Catch it. Get it?
And on that side.
Oh, you threw it out?
Yeah.
I think that's
Right
possible.
here.
Catch it.
Bell. You're blue and orange. I didn't color that. Oh. S. Yeah, no, you didn't do mine.
Okay, step out of the basin. And go get dressed for bed.
Thanks for watching.